If you play games through Epic Games and want to capture a screenshot quickly, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you want to save a cool moment, capture an in-game achievement, or keep a record of something important on your screen, taking a screenshot in Epic Games is simple once you know the right keys to press. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Epic Games and make sure the game or screen you want to capture is visible. This is important because your screenshot will capture exactly what is on your screen at that moment. Once everything is ready, you have two main options you can use on your keyboard. The first option is to press F12. In many cases, this is the quickest and most convenient way to take a screenshot while using Epic Games. Just press F12 and the screenshot will be captured right away. Depending on your settings, it may be saved automatically to a screenshots folder or it may be copied for later use. The second option is to press PrtScn, also known as PrtScreen, on your keyboard. This is another standard way to take a screenshot. After pressing it, you may be asked to select the area you want to capture, especially if your system or screenshot tool opens a selection box. If that happens, simply drag across the area you want to save. Once the screenshot is taken, it will usually be saved or copied based on your system settings. In many cases, it goes directly into your screenshots folder. If you're not sure where it went, check the default screenshots location on your computer or look at the settings for your screenshot tool to see where files are being stored. If you want to make sure your screenshots are saving in the right place, it's a good idea to review your capture settings before you start playing. That way, you'll know exactly where to find your images later without wasting time searching for them. And that's really all there is to it. To take a screenshot in Epic Games, open the game, press F12 or PrtScreen, select the area if needed, and then find your saved screenshot in the correct folder or system location. It's fast, easy, and a great way to save your favorite gaming moments. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.